Video is about how to navigate in your Moodle course. When you enter the Moodle course, you're going to see a page that looks like this. Obviously, you're already in here. And in the middle, these are the blocks for each week. So this is the introductory block. If you scroll down, you'll see that it has information. It has some links in it. And if you click on the link, it'll take you, this one takes you to an outside web page about netiquette. Each block has a list of links at the bottom. These are the materials for that week. And what I'd like you to do is work your way through these links. Now, for the introductory block, there's the link to how to use this course, which is what you're looking at right now. But you'll notice if you look at each block, there's this little book icon. Book icons represent a book module, and each week there is a book module called Start Here. And so I'd like you to start with whatever information is in that module. Book modules look like this. Just click on one to get started. So within a book module, on the left hand side you have a table of contents, and as you can see, each item is a link, and on the right hand side you have the material. So book modules sometimes also include links to other material. They also have a navigation arrow. If I want to, I can click next to get to the next page in the book, or I could click here, but best thing to do is just keep working your way through the book. Okay, so once you're in a book module or in any other resource in the course, I want you to notice up here there are what are called breadcrumbs. So this is the page we're actually on. We're in a book, and we're in the course Intro to Moodle. So if I click on Intro to Moodle, it'll take me back to the front page of the course. Another thing that you'll notice in the course are these different icons. The two faces represents a forum. Each week you're going to have at least one forum. When you click on the forum and take a look at it, you can see that you can add topics to the forum. This is actually the news forum, which is a little different than the discussion forums that we're going to be using later in the book. So let's take a look at a regular forum. Let's go to week 1, and I'm going to click here on this forum. Can you please explain? Once I click on the forum, you can read here some information about what you're supposed to be doing in the forum. And actually the week 1 forum is all about the teacher documentation at moodle.org, which you're going to be reading. So like for example, this has a link, and for you to reply in the forum, you simply click reply, and then an HTML editor is going to open up. So most of the writing that you're going to be doing in your course, you will be doing in one of these HTML editors. So let's take a look at it right now. This is an example of an HTML editor, and you'll notice that it has a lot of little buttons, and these are very similar to using Microsoft Word. It has your basic formatting buttons, bullets and numbering, text color, etc. This is the button for inserting web links. This is the button for inserting images. There's an emoticons button. And this button here actually switches you into HTML mode, and that's going to be important later on. This link here is, this one with a little talk bubble, is a link to a live chat, and you have available to you in this course a live chat room that you can arrange to meet with others in your course and talk about things with them. It's a good idea to do that because it gives you some experience using live chat if you don't have it already. And within live chat, I believe there is a link. I hope there's a link. Let's take a look to some information. Nope, there isn't, but let's go back. I'll put that in because there is some good information online about how to have an effective live chat. And these are just web pages that are part of the course. There's a suggested readings. This is my virtual office. You can arrange to meet with me there if you want to talk to me in a live chat. You can also email me at this email address, alexalex3@gmail.com. Alright, so that should get you started. Each week you simply read the information here, work your way through here, and you should notice that at the end of each book for the week there will be a list of the readings and assignments for that week, and so make sure that you check that, and you can use that as a sort of checklist to make sure that you've done everything for that week.